everyone, welcome back again to my channel. And in today's video, we have another Louis Vuitton handbag unboxing. It's very exciting. So if you haven't watched my past video, guys, I posted my shopping vlog. So everything is right there. So this one came from the 2022 Spring Summer collection. So before we unbox, guys, I have some favor for you. Please give me a thumbs up, guys, like this video, and of course hit that red subscribe button right here, subscribe into my channel and be part of my family, guys. And another thing, I have also here like an Hermes bag. The same time I got this one the same time, so like, you know, we just do like a little unboxing of this one. Of course we have the receipt right here, and you know already what it is. Like, you know, it's a twilly, guys, and I just want to add on more twillies because like I have more handbags that really need some protection, like, you know, like a top handle bag. So I want to add on more twilly into my collection. So yeah, so this is the twilly looks like, guys. Again, it's another pretty pink color twilly. So as you all know, that I really love pink, guys. And you have here like grayish blue, and of course, like, you know, you have the green, and yeah, so yeah, pastel pink and like that. So it's like really pretty. Please stay tuned until the end of the video, guys, because like, you know, first we're gonna unbox the handbag, and of course I'm gonna show you the classification and what is the reason why I choose and I bought this handbag. And of course at the same time I'm gonna do mud shots and like, you know, how the handbag looks like at me, and of course I'm gonna style them, and of course I'm gonna, like, you know, I love playing with my handbag, so maybe like, you know, I'm gonna show you different things, or like, you know, different ways how to change the strap of the handbag and the look of the handbag. So like, stay tuned for that. So like, you know, without further ado, we're gonna start unboxing. By now, like, you know, the ribbon is already the Chinese New Year ribbon, which is like the red and the gold. Yeah, so pretty stuff like that. So we have here the dust bag, and also here we have the receipt right here. So yeah, we're gonna set aside the box, guys, and of course here is the dust bag of the handbag, and nothing special with that. So the handbag that I got, so we have here the Bucci handbag, guys, from Louis Vuitton. So it makes of epi leather, and it has like a cowhide leather piping, and then the stitching is in like yellow. So you remember, like, you know, the typical Bacheta leather of Louis Vuitton, they have the yellow stitching. That is how it looks like, the stitching. And of course here we have an LV logo. It's called like resin ornament, and then like it's like an acrylic, it's not a metal, and in beautiful gold honey color. So by the way, this is like, you know, called gold honey color, and it's also like, you know, you can do like it's a caramel color or something like that. And here you have a silver hardware piping over here, and here also, like, you know, you have a silver hardware. So that is all the silver hardware in this handbag. And you have also here a piping made of cowhide leather, and also here on the side you have that one, and then on the side looks like this. So this material, you have like a tang here, and here is actually a cowhide leather, guys, which I really love. What I'm really happy with this handbag. And then here on the back you have a pocket here, and then inside you have like a microfiber lining, and also in beautiful caramel color, and then all the way it's also like a cowhide leather over there. So yeah, I just want to be very specific, guys, so that you will know the exact look of this handbag, so that if you are considering. And here you have unfinished, so it's just like having like a little glazing right here, and yeah. And then when we open, and then here, this is how it looks like underneath. So you don't have any metal feet or something like that. So it's just like, just a leather, and it's a beautiful, really a beautiful leather, guys. I was impressed with the leather. I'm really impressed with the leather right there. It's very soft. And then when we open here, we have Louis Vuitton made in this one is made in Spain, guys. So by the way, this spring summer collection, I think it's only like Italy and Spain and US is the one, like, you know, they released this this spring and summer collection, guys. So most of the handbags, I'm not sure if they still have like a made in France. So if you're like really big deal about that, like, you know, where it made of, like, you know, yeah. So this one is made in Spain, and here inside you have like a microfiber lining again in a beautiful brown color, dark brown color. And here, as you can see, it has still like a silver magnetic closure, guys. And we take up this one. So here inside, everything is like in brown microfiber lining, and you have like a little packet here on the back, guys. So yeah, we don't have anymore the date code because we have like the microchip like inside the handbag. So this is the handbag looks like. And the strap, this is how it looks like. It's actually in co-hide leather, beautiful, and you have like a silver hardware right there. This is how it looks like. That's the D-ring. Yeah, Louis Vuitton. And then here you also have like a Louis Vuitton written here. And then this is how it looks like. And the strap, guys, it can be adjusted into 3 settings. So you have this one, and then like, you know, it's 3 settings, so you can do like shoulder bag, and then like, you know, a longer shoulder bag, and the last one is like crossbody. So we're gonna do a mud shot later so that you can see. Measurement of the handbag is 9.6 inches across, and then the height is 6.1, and then the thickness is 3.5 inches, guys. So that's, you know, it's like comparison with the Chanel Classic flap, which everybody knows. It's almost the same as the medium classic flap. It's almost the same, guys. And then on the side as well, the same. Yeah. So it's very, very similar to the medium classic flap. As I look at it, and like, you know, I saw another video of unboxing video about this handbag. She complains that it's a little bit crooked. So I think I agree with her that this one is like, you know, a little bit crooked. It's not straight at all, guys. Like, oh yeah, it's really, really, yeah, it's not straight, guys. Oh, and this is the last one in the store. So like, you know, comment down below if it's like, you know, if you see it like crooked. Yeah, this is how it looks, guys. So comment down below, guys. I think it's very concerning because it's so obvious that it's crooked. Yeah, it's really, really crooked, guys. It's not forgiving. It's really crooked. And it's a magnetic closure, by the way, which I really, really like as well. Because it's just like, you know, with the pandemic right now, we put a lot of alcohol. So you don't need to like zip your bag in and out. And then like, you know, just like easy. And then like, you know, the magnetic is quite strong enough. Like, you know. And then what I love about this, because it's like here, it's like that. It's like, you know, your stuff doesn't really fall down. Or you're not scared that, you know, you're gonna lose your things. At the same time, what I really, really love about this is like, you know, it's just like a big compartment like that. So you really fit a lot. You don't have any like in-between compartments, which sometimes is annoying. Price-wise, it retails for $2,100 US. So for me, it's worth it because like, you know, given the fact that it's an epi leather, and of course, you also have a big co-hide leather around and like in the middle right here, and of course you have some piping, and you have like piping here, the co-hide leather. So it's like, you know, really adds on into the production. So I think like, you know, it's just like enough that it's the price is one for $2,100 US. So I think the price wise it's really, really good, guys. And since the strap is detachable, like, you know, it's really, really nice because you can also swap with different straps. So let's find out what can fit in this bag. So here behind, you know, I need to put my cell phone right there. So even you have a bigger phone, guys, it still fit comfortably there, in and out, very easy. So when we open, I have here my mini pochette, guys, can fit in there perfectly. And of course, another essential, I always bring shopping, a reusable shopping bag. It's very, very essential for me because if it rains also, it will also protect my handbag. I have here my Soy Wallet, and by the way, guys, even you have like a regular wallet, it can still fit in here. So I tried it already. So the Soy Wallet fits perfectly right there. I have here the key clay. I can also put my keys and stuff like that. So slide in there. And of course, like, you know, alcohol is very, very essential. We can squeeze the alcohol right there and close the handbag. So easy, guys. So that is how it fits here. So like, you know, with the amount of what it fits here, guys, like, you know, I'm so glad, I'm so happy. That is like, you know, what I really, really need for handbag right now. Because before, I always want to have a small handbag, but these days, like, since we bring more of the items, like, you know, I always happy that I have more space. So here you still have more space. I can actually squeeze more if I want, but this is like, you know, how I comfortably bring my items. This is the shortest strap, guys. So this is how it looks like on me. So it's just like so perfect. This is my waistline here. This is my belly button. So it's just really, you know, like just hit on the proper place. This is how it looks like. And of course, this is how it looks like. It's a shoulder bag. And if you try to do crossbody, it's a little bit tight because this is my belly button. So it's like this. So like there are some places that other ladies, they like it like, you know, like with the crossbody. It's like, looks like that, you know, like more chic. And then if you do like the longest, this is how it looks like. It's really, really long, guys. This is my waistline right here. So it sits right here. It's a little bit long. And then crossbody, it's long. This is my belly button. It's long, but it's okay as well. Like, you know, I don't have a problem with that, with this length, because most of the handbag is gonna be like that anyway. So I take out the strap, guys, because like 2022, it's like so in to have like a clutch. So you can also use this one as a clutch. It looks like that. Can do like this. Since it's soft, you know, it's just like so easy. So if we want to change with this thicker strap, like, you know, it looks more youngish, it looks like that. It's very chic, guys. I really love this look as well. So like, you know, this is like a casual outfit. It's fine with this one. I really love it if I'm wearing like a casual outfit. This is how it looks like. So definitely, guys, this handbag is a day to night handbag. So it's like, you know, it's also a plus. It's really, really nice, you know, because you can use this one casually or even like formally if you use the gold chain. So like, you know, it's so perfect. Also chains with this strap, with this metal strap. So this is how it looks like if you want like more fashionable, more chic look. This is how it looks like. And of course, you can also do like this. It's so cute, guys. It's another alternative. This is it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and of course share this video to your friend. Thank you so much. See you to the next one. Bye.